Pray for the dead bird. I work at a popular bookstore chain in the US. It was about 4 hours into my shift and not a ton was happening. Out of the corner of my eye, an older woman comes up to my till with a dark object in her hands. I put on my Klitsche customer service voice and face. Good afternoon. How may I help you today? To my horror, she plops down a dead black pigeon on my counter and says, pray for the bird. In my 3.5 years of retail, this has never happened to me. My mouth agape, I stammer out, wait, what? Without a word, she turns and walks out. I spent 10 minutes deep cleaning the counter and had my coworker, who always wears gloves, dispose of the poor creature. I hope its spirit haunts the lady.